How to clear Instagram cache on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can clear Instagram's cache on iPhone. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if your Instagram has a lot of cache, it can result in slow response, it can result in more time loading, it can result in overall your decline in your iPhone's performance. Now, not just for Instagram, other apps cache do the same as well. So in that case, all you can do is clear out the cache. Now, if you don't know how to do that on iPhone, it's rather easy. First of all, you'll need to head over to your settings. Locate your settings app. Tap on it to open it up. After you've opened up your settings app, you can scroll down. There you'll find General. Tap on General. After you're on General, go to iPhone Storage. It should be right here. Tap on iPhone Storage to open it up. After you've opened up your iPhone storage, you can then check how much storage you have and other more details, but what we need is Instagram right here. So search for Instagram, and after you've located the app, you can open Insta up. Now here what we need to do is offload the app. Now as you can see, this will free up storage used by the app, but it will still keep its document and data. It will also clear out the cache. Now in that case, it's really simple. Tap on offload app and then confirm it. After that, you can also get an option to reinstall the app right here. You can tap on reinstall app and the app should be installed back again by cleared out cache. And yeah, it's that easy. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care.